Gotta get up early as fuck in the morning to go to my farm, make sure them some bitches are picking the cotton in the field. I'm telling you, if I'm not out there whipping them some bitches, they're not gonna work. The only way to get them some bitches to work is to whip them. I'm telling you, 99% of the time when I pull up, they're just standing the fuck around. Like, what am I supposed to be doing? Like, really? The same fucking thing that you was doing yesterday and the day before. Goddamn, pick the cotton. Like you're supposed to be doing. Jesus.